Hey creators, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about mighty hoops. Hey creators, welcome back. My name is Shayna with KrauseKreations.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about two mighty hoops. We're going to be talking about the 5.5 mighty hoop, which is the blue color, and we're going to be talking about the 8x13 mighty hoop, which is the white. So I do want to point out that this is not a video about specs or the magnet is this strong or that strong. If you want to get technical about it, please visit the Mighty Hoops website. I am a customer of Mighty Hoops. I do not work for Mighty Hoops. So I am just going to be showing you how I use Mighty Hoops. Alright, so first, this one right here, this is the 8x13 Mighty Hoop. It comes with two pieces. It comes with the back, and then it comes with the top. They actually just got stuck to each other right now. My bad. Oops, sorry if that was a little bit loud. I'm going to be showing you how that works in a second. I just wanted to show you the comparison between, this is the 8x13 mighty hoop, and this is the 8x14 traditional hoop that came with my machine. I have a baby lock 10 needle. Baby locks are very similar to brothers. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the size comparison, that this is the 8x13 mighty hoop and this is the 8x14 traditional hoop that came with the baby lock. Everybody knows how to hoop with the traditional one, so I just wanted to show you how easy it is. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to hoop with the mighty hoops. So basically, you're just going to have your backing hoop here. You're going to get your stabilizer. In today's tutorial, I'm just going to be using a red towel. So all you're going to do is you're going to have your item. You're going to have, just make sure that you actually have your stabilizer down. Put your fabric on top. Alright. And all you have to do, oh yeah, hold on. Before we do that, I do need to point out that there is a top and a bottom to the mighty hoops. This part right here, it has a lip. This right here, there's kind of like two lips. This one is thinner, this one is thicker. The thicker one is going to go away from the machine. So like if you're hooping, if you're standing at your machine right now hooping, this bigger nub is going to be pointing to your belly. Alright, now you can put your stabilizer down. You can put your fabric right on top of it. And then all you're going to do, again, there is a top and a bottom to the mighty hoops. So remember, the skinnier part that was up here is going to be towards the machine. The fatter part down here is going to be towards my belly. So when you're looking at the top of the mighty hoops, when you see the orange warning sign, you're going to make sure that that is farthest away. So the way that I remember it is, if you see the warning sign, if you ever see that in real life, you just want to stay away from that warning, right? It's like warning means trouble. So when you're trying to figure out, does this go this way or does it go this way? Basically, the warning sign away from you, all right? All you're going to do is you're just going to kind of wave it on top of your project. So you can go ahead and pull your fabric to make sure that it's nice and taut. If you turn it over, you'll see that, I don't know, the mighty hoops are just magic. Like, if you were trying to hoop this fabric with your traditional hoop, you'd have to be turning this thing, trying to put it together, smashing it. You're like hurting your wrist. I don't know, it just takes forever. With mighty hoop, you could literally hoop something in like 2 seconds. Alright, so that's the example of the 8x13 mighty hoop with this red towel, and now I'm going to just show you, actually let's move this right here. Now I'm going to show you the 5.5 mighty hoop. Again, there is a top and there is a bottom. Alright, so if you're looking at the bottom piece, the white part right here is going to go to the ground, right? You got your fatter part here, and then you got your skinnier part here. Skinnier part towards the machine, fatter part towards your belly. If you need a trick on how to remember that, fat belly. All right, so similar to the 8x13, you have on the 5x5, you have the markings. So you're gonna have the same symbols on top. So warning, away from your body, regular nub. So you have your bottom of your 5.5 mighty hoop. You have your stabilizer, right? All you have to do is, this stabilizer is kind of bent because it was on a roll, but basically you're just gonna put your stabilizer down right there. You're gonna get your fabric. You're gonna put it down. Obviously, if you're embroidering a towel, you're gonna pre-find your placement prior to putting it on the mighty hoop. This video is just a quick, hey, how do you use a mighty hoop? What is a mighty hoop? All right, so you're just gonna throw your fabric on there. All right, and then all you're gonna do is you're just gonna wave your mighty hoop. All you gotta do is just wave your mighty hoop in front of it, and then you'll see that the back, you always want your bottom stabilizer tight like a drum, just like that. That is perfect. And then you see the top. If you want to go ahead and embroider this, I do recommend that you use water soluble stabilizer so that the towel hairs or whatever don't poke through your embroidery design. And basically there you have it. How easy is it to use the mighty hoop? Well, you saw it for yourself. How easy is it to take your item out of the mighty hoop when you're done with your project? Remember that fat part that is towards your body? You're gonna put your thumb here, this right here. All you gotta do is pull up. Yes, I had to use a little bit of muscle because the magnets are hella strong. So basically pretend that your project is done. You're gonna take it off and you just rip off your stabilizer right there. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for sticking around for the entire video. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, please go ahead and scroll down and hit that red subscribe button. It'll really help my channel out so much. If you'd like to carry on this conversation, go ahead and join my Discord link. It'll be posted down below in the description. And as always, with Krause Kreations, we can embroider that. Bye!